Covergirl and Star Wars recently collaborated on a line of limited edition makeup for the highly anticipated film, Star Wars Episode 7: The Force Awakens. They chose New York Fashion Week as the platform to reveal 7 exclusive looks created by legendary makeup artist Pat McGrath at a high-profile event attended by fashion writers and bloggers. Current Studios was approached by Grey New York to create an interactive installation at the event designed to show off these stunning new looks in an innovative way. With the theme of the event being the choice between the dark and light sides of the Force, we wanted to give attendees the power of the Force to help explore this exclusive line of Covergirl products. With only 2 weeks to design the digital experience, create the 3D models of the new product line, and assemble the custom hardware, once again we leaned on our agile creative and development process to work with Grey and Covergirl to achieve the futuristic results they were hoping for. The resulting effort included 2 custom-built digital displays. Semi-transparent acrylic screens created the illusion of holographic models floating in space, with an asteroid field of makeup products floating around them. When an event guest raised their hand, they harnessed the power of the Force and unlocked the ability to explore the colors and styles for each of these exclusive new products with the wave of a hand. The event created a lot of buzz online through a range of media outlets. Images and video content popped up all over social media using the hashtag #BeautyForce. The surprise guest appearance of Janelle Monáe helped to raise the profile of the product line as they revealed her exclusive look, Resistance Pilot. The interactive installations were a hit with curious guests, adding an innovative element to the product launch and creating a memorable interface with this limited edition line of makeup that have Star Wars fans clamoring to get their hands on.